Proverbs chapter 9, verse number 13 to 18. The Bible said the word will deliver you from a foolish woman. In Ecclesiastes chapter 7, verse number 26, the Bible says, the word of the Lord will deliver you from that woman. I love it, he said, God shall escape from her. He also said, whosoever pleaseth God will escape from her. And the Bible said, but the sinner shall be taken by her. There is something that is better than death. And that something is a woman whose heart is snares and nerds. Interesting. And so then, ladies and gentlemen, preaching the gospel, I come to a realization that the moment that the Christ is revealed and lives in the inside of you, you are not a church goer. You become a partner of God. You become a joint heir with Christ. You reign with the Lord. The Bible said, where the word of a king is, there is power. You carry power within your system. It is in the light. You see, the light of God, it produces something. It is the light of God that produces maturity. I said, help me. And the wisdom of God, it is the light of God that produces the spirit of excellence. It is the light of God, ladies and gentlemen, that produces responsibility and godliness. It is the light of, say, blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord. And Ghana, look at our national anthem. God bless our homeland Ghana. Even our anthem is a prayer. God, the first word, God. God, not Tafu Bruku. First word is not Chinamai. First word is not Kobri. It's not a nyanta, it's not a pepe. First word, G-O-D. Bless our homeland Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, bold to defend forever the cause of freedom and of right. Feed our heart with true humility. Make us fearless, make us honest, and help us to resist oppressors' rule with all our will and might. God